Introducing Dahua's new SDT2A multi-vision PoE camera. Look wider, protect deeper. Take a look inside. Easily manage PTZ functions with the DMSS app, allowing you to monitor your property anytime, anywhere. The SDT2A reduces false alarms and identifies key targets through intelligent human and vehicle detection. Its sound and warm light alarm serves as proactive deterrence against potential threats. Plus, with the smart dual light technology, light pollution is reduced. The two-way talk feature enables real-time communication for enhanced convenience and protection.